we might be familiar with the word invalid cooking. Well, the invalid cooking is not a special method of cooking, but it is actually cooking for sick persons or sick people. The person who cook the food for sick people are known as diet chef, and a detailed attention must be followed while having invalid cookery. The recovery of sick people depends on a proper amount of nourishment fed through a dish. An individual can't consume food unless it is well cooked. So invalid cooking makes sure about the food being easily digestible and well nourished. It is the method to cook in a clean and hygienic condition. The food cooked won't lose its nutrients value, and it should also be eye-appealing. Things to avoid in invalid cooking. First thing is highly seasoned meat, rich gravies, sauce and puddings, irregular food serving time, overcooking of grains and vegetables, very poor quality of ingredients, improper storage of ingredients, high refined products like refined sugar, refined flour and refined rice, and less fiber-rich foods. Why chefs need to learn invalid cookery or cooking then? To acquire sufficient amount of nourishment knowledge to be able to make both palatable and digestible food. To be able to cook food in different forms so that the taste varies with the each dish that are served to the guests. To plan a balanced diet meal to fulfill the need of any sick people, and finally to make the food work as a medicine. Thank you.